Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we just fitted another Halo Mini on this really nice Mercedes Sprinter 2018 diesel van. How the system works, someone was to grab this key, jump in and try and start it. As soon as I try and start it, foot on the clutch, you see it just won't start. It just won't start, okay? So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, main ignition on, insert his push sequence on. Here we've done plus, plus, minus, minus, and we'll get a full beam flash here once we've passed authorization. So tap, 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 full beam flash, start the van. Really simple, really straightforward, okay? As soon as you open the door, if you watch carefully, as soon as you open the door, we'll get a double flash. System is now armed. If I try and start it, it won't start, okay? Also, if I want to place this in valet mode because I want to take it for a service or a car wash, the way I would do it is main ignition on, pass authorization. Once we press the last press, we hold it for 15 seconds, followed, we'll get 5 flashes here. So minus, minus, plus, plus, hold. That disarms it. We've got a flash. Keep on holding, keep on holding, keep on holding. You'll see we'll get 5 flashes. There you go. So now we're in valet mode. So if I open the door, you'll see the system won't arm. Close the door. I can start it up, no problem at all. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. Now when I get the vehicle back, I want to take it out of valet mode, just in completely the same again. Ignition on, minus, minus, plus, plus, hold for 15 seconds. As we're holding, you'll see, then we get confirmation by the flashes, 2 flashes, and you'll see it'll come out. Watch carefully. There you go, sorry, 1 flash. Now, basically, as soon as I open the door, the system will arm. But now finally what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to change the code. So main ignition on, minus, minus, plus, plus, system disarms. Now I'm going to tap the accelerator 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got a flash, double flash. Now I'm going to go minus, 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 plus, turn the ignition off. 1 flash, system is armed. Open the door, let the system armed. So now if I remember correctly, new code is, let's try the old code, minus, minus, plus, plus, no flash. Key off, key on. This time minus, 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 plus. New code is learnt, start the van. Okay, really straightforward. If you want to get one of these fitted, as I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478. 0289060478. Thank you very much.